Top 10 Facts about Honeybees. Honeybees are vital pollinators. Honeybees play a crucial role in pollinating plants, which is essential for the production of fruits, vegetables, and nuts. Their pollination activities contribute significantly to agricultural yields and biodiversity. As they collect nectar and pollen from flowers, they transfer pollen grains from one bloom to another, facilitating fertilization. This process is vital for the reproduction of many flowering plants. Without honeybees, many crops would suffer, leading to reduced food availability and economic losses. Honeybees' pollination services are valued at billions of dollars annually. Protecting honeybee populations is essential for maintaining ecological balance and food security. Honeybees live in complex social colonies. Honeybees are social insects that live in well-organized colonies consisting of a single queen, thousands of worker bees, and a few hundred drones. The queen's primary role is to lay eggs, while worker bees perform various tasks such as foraging for food, caring for the young, and maintaining the hive. Drone's main purpose is to mate with the queen during her mating flight. The colony operates with remarkable efficiency and cooperation, with each bee performing its specific role to ensure the survival and productivity of the hive. Communication within the colony is facilitated through pheromones and the famous waggle dance, which conveys information about food sources. The social structure of honeybee colonies exemplifies intricate organization and teamwork. Honeybees produce honey. Honeybees collect nectar from flowers and convert it into honey through a process involving digestion and regurgitation. The nectar is stored in the bees' honey stomachs and then passed among worker bees until it gradually transforms into honey. They store honey in the hexagonal cells of their wax combs, capping it with beeswax to preserve it for future use. Honey serves as a vital food source for the colony, especially during winter when foraging is not possible. The production of honey involves enzymes and evaporation, reducing water content and creating a stable, long-lasting food. Humans have harvested honey for thousands of years, valuing it for its sweetness, nutritional benefits, and medicinal properties. Honeybees have a unique communication system. Honeybees communicate primarily through the waggle dance, a series of movements performed by foraging bees to convey information about the direction and distance of food sources. The dance involves a figure-8 pattern with a waggle run in the middle, indicating the angle relative to the sun. The duration and intensity of the waggle run provide information on the distance to the food source. This sophisticated form of communication allows bees to efficiently locate and exploit floral resources. Pheromones also play a crucial role in hive communication, signaling alarm, attracting mates, and coordinating colony activities. The ability to communicate complex information through dance and chemicals highlights the advanced social behavior of honeybees. Honeybees have a short but productive lifespan. Worker honeybees live for about 6 weeks during the active summer months, with their lifespan extending to several months during the winter. Despite their short lives, worker bees perform a multitude of tasks, from nursing larvae and building comb to foraging for food and defending the hive. The intense workload of summer bees contributes to their shorter lifespan, while winter bees, which primarily cluster around the queen to keep the hive warm, live longer. The queen bee, however, can live for several years, laying thousands of eggs during her lifetime. Drones, the male bees, typically live a few weeks and die after mating or are expelled from the hive before winter. The differing lifespans and roles of bees within the colony illustrate the division of labor and the efficiency of honeybee societies. Honeybees can recognize human faces. Studies have shown that honeybees can recognize and remember human faces, demonstrating their advanced visual processing capabilities. Researchers found that bees use a method known as configural processing, similar to how humans recognize faces by piecing together individual features. This ability helps bees in identifying flowers and navigating complex environments. The finding is remarkable considering the size of the bee brain, which has fewer neurons than the human brain but exhibits high efficiency in processing visual information. This capability underscores the sophisticated neural mechanisms of honey bees and their ability to learn and adapt to their surroundings. Recognizing human faces suggests a level of cognitive complexity unexpected in such small insects. Honeybees exhibit altruistic behavior. Worker honeybees display remarkable altruism by performing selfless acts for the benefit of the colony. They will sacrifice their lives to defend the hive, using their stingers to deter predators, even though stinging results in their death. Additionally, worker bees engage in behaviors such as feeding and grooming the queen and larvae, cleaning the hive, and regulating its temperature. This self-sacrificial behavior is driven by kin selection, as the workers share a high percentage of genetic material with the queen and other workers. By ensuring the survival and success of the colony, they help propagate their genes. The altruistic nature of honeybees demonstrates the deep evolutionary roots of social cooperation and selflessness. Honeybees are essential for biodiversity. Honeybees' pollination activities support the reproduction of a wide variety of plants, contributing to the diversity of plant life and ecosystems. This biodiversity is crucial for healthy, resilient ecosystems, providing food and habitat for numerous other species. The decline of honeybee populations poses a threat to global biodiversity, as many plants depend on bees for successful pollination. Maintaining diverse plant populations ensures ecosystem stability, nutrient cycling, and the overall health of the environment. Conservation efforts aimed at protecting honeybees are vital for preserving the intricate web of life that depends on their pollination services. The role of honeybees in promoting biodiversity highlights their importance beyond agricultural contexts. Honeybees have specialized roles within the hive. Within a honeybee colony, different bees assume specialized roles that change as they age. Young worker bees start as nurse bees, caring for the queen and larvae. As they mature, they take on roles such as cleaning the hive, producing wax, building comb, and finally, foraging for food outside the hive. This age-based division of labor ensures the efficient functioning of the colony, with each bee performing tasks that match its capabilities and experience. Drones primarily focus on mating with the queen, while the queen's sole role is to lay eggs. This specialization maximizes the productivity and survival of the colony, showcasing an advanced level of social organization and cooperation among honeybees. Honeybees are threatened by various factors. Honeybee populations face numerous threats, including habitat loss, pesticides, diseases, and climate change. One of the most significant threats is the Varroa destructor mite, which weakens bees and spreads viruses. Pesticide exposure can impair bee navigation, foraging behavior, and immune systems. Habitat loss reduces the availability of forage and nesting sites, while climate change disrupts flowering patterns and bee activity. These factors contribute to colony collapse disorder, CCD, where worker bees abandon the hive, leading to colony failure. Conservation efforts, such as creating bee-friendly habitats, reducing pesticide use, and supporting sustainable agriculture, are crucial to protecting honeybee populations and ensuring their vital role in ecosystems and agriculture.